Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil change light on your Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. You'll then use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the main menu on your dashboard display. Look for the service or maintenance section, which typically contains the reset options you need to access. This initial step is crucial for a successful reset. Once you're in the service or maintenance menu, you'll need to find the specific option for oil change or oil life. Use the up and down arrows on your steering wheel to highlight this selection. After highlighting, press the OK or Enter button to confirm your choice. The system will then ask you to confirm the reset, usually with a message like "Are you sure you want to reset?" To finalize the reset, you will typically need to press and hold the OK button for a specific duration. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep the button pressed until you see the oil life indicator on your dashboard display change. It should reset to 100%, confirming the successful completion of the procedure. Once it shows 100%, you can release the button. After completing the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition off completely. Wait a few seconds, then restart the engine to verify that the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If the light is off, your reset was successful. Remember, resetting the light does not replace the need for actual oil changes, which are recommended every 10,000 miles or 12 months for optimal engine health. Always follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.